I'm the driver. Is there 2 seats in here? Bro, it's like adventure after adventure. Yo, check this out. Oh my goodness. It's a memory wall of fallen defenders of the Ukrainian and Russian-Ukrainian war.
Це роботи моєї мами. Це мама або свекруха, це захисниця дому. You're good to go, boy. You're good to go. Yeah!
You got a dream. You got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
What is up, my Back to Life family? I am doing an awesome activity today, okay? So this is called the funicular, I guess. Not really sure what that means exactly, but so we're gonna go in here. What are you scanning? То мені? І тепер що? Oh, we're good. All right, y'all, so we're headed up. We're going in one of these things right here. What are these called?
Funicular, I don't know.
No, like in English, like a something car. A trolley. So we're getting on this trolley, y'all. Oh, we're getting in the backpack, bro. Heck yeah. I'm the driver. Is there 2 seats in here? Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so we're in here. We got the conductor. We're going up there. This is crazy. Full of people. I don't even know where we're going, to be honest. We were just told to go, got handed a card, and we're headed there. Do you know where we're going, like truly?
Up some.
We're going up. We're going up. That's the only way we're going, is up. In life, in general.
Down. Never down, baby.
In general, we're going up in life. Getting out, right? Yeah, we gotta get out.
Yeah.
Go. Or we get stuck on this. All right, y'all, we're headed out. Going to the top. Let's see what happens. Look at this. Again, the architecture. Beautiful. Oh, so we can actually leave. I thought we were stuck, like, going back down, like, right away. Oh, and then we'll just go over there. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's like adventure after adventure. Wow, look at that building though.
Got that brand new BMW.
Sheesh. They got it blacked out too? Oh, we need one of those hats, bro.
We buy one?
Heck, no, not right now. This is amazing.
This weather's perfect.
Yes, it is. Okay, so this makes sense. I definitely thought that was like a... I thought that was like a...
Experience?
Yeah, I thought we were paying for like an experience trolley. Hold up, wait a minute, let us go in here. What is this? Oh, look at all the Ukrainian things they're selling. I just want to give her money anyway. Look at this. Prochanya. This is like a, what, prochid? That just means you can walk through. Look at that, I think that's Jesus. I'm not sure who that is, but this is beautiful. I'm telling y'all, the architecture here in Ukraine is beautiful. Look at that blue building. Let's go check out this blue building real quick, y'all. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal here. This is unreal. Absolutely love it. Check it out. Wow. Whoa. Look at this on the camera. This is crazy. I hope y'all enjoy this because I'm definitely enjoying everything that I'm doing in Kiev. Been here for a couple days now. This is amazing. I mean, absolutely. Look at, like, bro, like, who made that? Gosh, people are amazing. Humans amaze me. The fact that a human can make these things, but now we're trying to make machines and robots make these things, I just don't think they can make it as good as humans. There's no, like, love put into it. It's like when your mom makes you a meal. Like, you can make one out of a machine, but, like, when your mom makes it by hand? Is that door open for us?
Front picture?
In a minute. Hold on, let's see what's inside this door. Is this a church, bro? Oh my gosh. Yo, check this out. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Random door open. Of course, we walk in.
Open just for us, baby.
Open sesame. Wow, that was amazing. Oh, almost fell. Watch his footsteps. We got nuns out here. Look at this. This has got to be some famous church because everybody else is out here.
Another open door.
Oh, that's definitely an open door for us. Привет. Українська. Hello. Українська православна церква. Okay, that makes sense. This is a Ukrainian Catholic church. Yeah, that just means Catholic.
No.
Православна?
Bro.
Yeah, that's Catholic, bro.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It doesn't say no filming, does it? Nope, it doesn't. Oh. Wow. Protestant?
I think it's like what we do.
I don't know. You check it. We're learning at the same time. Look at this, y'all. I can't talk loud. People are praying. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Unreal. People are praying, so I want to film them. This is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Does it mean Catholic or Protestant? I don't know. We're confused. Bro, there's a father right there. Like,
I understand.
I'm gonna ask him. We gotta know. Правда, просто інакше. Okay. Але є батько і я з Америки, то я по-англійськи тільки можу думати. Нас називається father. То таке все таке саме, так? Просто закони інакше. Окей. Дуже дякую. You were right. It's Protestant, but they have the same things. They just have different rules. Like they have fathers and everything.
There's like a Pentecostal, and there's like
Okay.
It's like a separate.
Yeah.
Protestant is all of that.
Okay.
So there are certain.
Paul's the tour guide.
Yeah. Just come on now.
I'm not the tour guide.
So this is a Protestant church.
Yeah. Sorry, guys and girls. Completely wrong by me. But it's beautiful. We're gonna head out now. Wow. Sorry. Alright, we're gonna head out the church and I'll go find something else to film for y'all. That was amazing. Ukrainian Protestant church. Alright folks, so we walked out of the Українська Православна Церква. It is Protestant church, not Catholic. I was completely wrong. My tour guide Paul was completely right. But anyways, I wanted to show you kind of the vibe of what's going on here. Like people live here, so you can see there's like apartment buildings and stuff. And here's a memorial for military members. So rest in peace. These are the Ukrainian war memory wall. It's a memory wall of fallen defenders of the Ukrainian and Russian-Ukrainian war. Wow, that is sad. Rest in peace to all these folks. Oh man, kind of makes my heart hurt. But here's a memorial wall. It's unreal to see how many people. I mean, this wall goes all the way down, and this is not everybody, so that is crazy to see. But then you have this like center area, just normal life going on here in the Ukraine. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, golly. Yo, whoever's out here doing all the work, y'all deserve high fives for real. I'm having so much fun in Kiev already. Man, just look at that. Beautiful out here, y'all. Unreal. Like, look. No matter where you look, y'all, like, who built that? Unreal, man. Are we on a street? No, I guess you can walk here, right? Yeah, we're good. I mean, you got statues over there. This is all awesome stuff. Let me go grab some of this so y'all can see that. But I mean, just look, people are in passing. This is normal life in Kiev. People are just having a great day. I mean, he's on his moped about to deliver some food, and it's going great. I mean, she's on the phone, headed somewhere. What in the world is that? Ministerstvo Zakladnych Spraw України. Man, we definitely got to go take a
building.
That's the minister's building, y'all. The heck, look at this. What are they doing? Who is that? Who is that? The king? No, it's like a king, bro. How do you say that? Venikan? Well, yeah, I don't know what language that is. That's like Latin Ukrainian. All right, we're gonna go check out this minister's building, y'all, because that looks absolutely unreal. Let us get a little bit closer. I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so finally up close to the minister building here of Ukraine, and again, I'm trying to read it. Ministerstvo Zakordonnych Spraw України. Like, the border, okay, see? So he's also not my tour guide. He's also my translator. He actually went to Ukrainian school. I didn't. So the only way I learned Ukrainian is because I had to learn how to talk to my parents. And then after that, it was over for me. But yes, we have the ministry building right here of Ukraine. And I guess we're like in the heart of Kyiv, I would assume. What do you think?
Oh, top of the mountain, baby.
Like we're in the, got to be in the heart. There's not going to be some federal government building and it not be in the heart of the main city. But it's absolutely awesome. I mean, there's some expensive cars out here. Like you got this, look, this Range Rover blacked out. There's a BMW blacked out over there. Like this is some nice stuff, man.
If you're a Camry?
Yeah, you gotta have the Camry. I mean, if you're a Slav and you've never had a Camry or never like had someone in your family that had a Camry or something, I'm not sure you're a Slav. Like that's just facts right there. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. Like I can't wait to keep showing y'all more awesome stuff. Like this is absolutely mind-blowing to see how beautiful these buildings are and how amazing this architecture is. But just one last view for y'all before we get into something else, because there's something to get into on every street. So here's a better view for you. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine. So if you get in trouble, probably end up here or something. Or if you get in trouble doing some like foreign ministry stuff, check it out. Ooh, not the blacked out Benzes though. That's got to be somebody important. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get in there real quick and see if they'll take me for a trip. I'm just kidding, we're not doing that. First day in the country, I get deported. Don't want that. More blacked out vehicles. I love it. That's probably for all like the different ministers and stuff. You know, they have drivers and all that stuff. That's pretty cool. That is pretty darn cool, to be honest. But yeah, let's keep moving. Okay, y'all, so we were walking down the street right here, and of course there's people selling, and I showed y'all in the earlier video before we went in the church. So these things right here are literally handmade by this lady's mom. Можете себе, як вас звати?
Мене звати Оленка.
Оленка, окей. Приємно з вами, як сказати?
Познайомитись.
Познайомитись, yes. І ви мені історії скажіть ще раз, так як ви мені тільки що сказали, що то вам ваша мама і таке все. Скажіть,
Да.
як то все?
Це роботи моєї мами. Це мама або свекруха, це захисниця дому. Мама її робить на качані кукурузи.
Що таке класне?
Таку лялечку у нас на Черкащині колись дарували дівчині, на яку, можна сказати, півдівки, яка хотіла заміж.
О, то мені треба комусь дати, так?
Подарувати.
Ну,
да.
подарувати.
Так. А це мотанка на щастя. Їй дарують і кажуть, щоб ти в мене була щаслива, щоб ти була здорова.
Вау.
Вона з ножками, з черевичками, з ручками, з квіточкою і довгою косою.
Ну так. Да. Я люблю того, я люблю, що то має бути щасливе. Я хочу подружки то дати. Не girlfriend, просто подружка. Так. Дуже дякую за ту історію. Yo, that was super cool. So pretty much she was just saying that her mom makes all of these by hand. It's on a corn on the cob, like literally it's made on there, and they all have different meanings. And of course I'll translate some of the words in there for y'all, but for the most part, that's just so cool to see how people do things in different countries and different just environments, because culture is amazing and it will teach you so many different things. I'm buying one right now and we're just gonna keep moving along with the day. Ви кажете 200, так?
200, да.
Вот 200. Дуже дякую. This is Ukraine. This is amazing. This is what you do in other countries. Alrighty, y'all, it's time to end out this video. I hope y'all enjoyed that church. I hope y'all enjoyed that little ride up the railway car. Not even sure. It just took us up you know, I don't even know how far that was, a quarter mile, not even sure, but hope you'll enjoy that. And then the lady's story of her mom making that, I'm actually gonna gift that to Allah. She's standing in front of me, so I didn't want to say it out loud, but I was want to make it a surprise as like a thank you. So the thing, it actually signifies like prosperity and happiness and joy and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to, you know, gift that to her. And one last look of where we are here in Ukraine. Beautiful. I mean, the streets are amazing. The architecture is just phenomenal. This is so awesome. If you ever get to experience something, go out to Ukraine, go out to Kiev, and keep watching the rest of my videos, because I'm going to bring y'all so much content. But without further ado, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at NicoTJR and at Slavic Nico. You can see all my Ukrainian travels here. Check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch, support the movement. And without further ado, I'm Back to Life family. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Now we're moving. Now we're cruising. You're the only thing that matters anymore. Now we're moving. Now we're cruising.